Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and tap on it. And here, find the option called about, and tap on it. Now, scroll down through this menu, and find the option called S/N. This is our serial number. This is the serial number of the device. And once you're done checking it, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.